Guys, Josh here talking Wednesday's workout and taking this show on the road to prove that we can get these workouts done anywhere with little to no equipment, with just a little bit of creativity. So let's go over our Wednesday's warm-up. First piece is going to be a cradle into a reverse lunge. So if I go here, I'm going to go cradle and then pop it back into a reverse lunge and then come up. See if you can take it from forward. I'm going to go here, cradle, take it into a reverse lunge and then come up. I'll do 10 of those total, 5%. Then I'm going to walk out into an inchworm, but throw in a little bit of shoulder rotation, controlled articular rotation, all the things. All the things. Okay? So again, I get into where you can see me. I'm going to walk on down. And then rotate, rotate. I'll do a total of 10 of those, and as you can see, I'm right in the middle of the road, because why not? Because I want people to stop and ask me about fitness. Okay, so maybe don't do it. Maybe don't do it right in the middle of the road. Okay, and then the last piece, I'm gonna go seal jack. So 10 inchworm with controlled articular rotation, 10 cradle to reverse lunge, 20 seal jacks for 3 rounds. For my strength piece, guys, I brought my little kid bell because it's awesome. It's a little light for me, just a little, and I'm gonna do it with a bottoms up press to change it around just a little bit so that it becomes quite a bit more complicated and it's a lot more wristy. So let's watch this, okay? So again, the movement's gonna stay the same no matter how I do it and no matter what I do it with, whatever object it is. I like the single arm press out of it. That's what it's prescribed as, 5 sets of 10. And if I have something like this where I can really get a lot of wrist action into it, that's really what I want that to look like. But the top position, again, I can even do it from half kneel all the way up to position. And you can see where that's at. It's still rib cage tucked. It's still all the way straight up. It's still elbow locked. So on and so forth. Pretty imperfect. 5 sets of 10 each side. My strength for Wednesday. For my conditioning piece, I have 7 squat lunge complexes followed by 14 push-ups for 5 rounds. So let's go over that squat lunge complex. I do 1 perfect and pretty air squat. And then I follow that up with lunge right, lunge left. I prefer to step into a reverse, but maybe since I have all this area, I can actually move, and I do 7 of those. So let's watch what that looks like. I'll even give you the area. Okay? So squat all the way down, stand, and then I'm gonna step back. Step back. That's 1. Now again, if I added movement, either one of those will work. So I have my 7 squat lunge complex followed by 14 push-ups. And again, really pay attention to where the width is at on the hands, because we're still getting ready for that Murph that's coming up. Hands are about 45-degree angle, so not way up here. Elbows are slightly tucked to the sides, and then push-up. 14 reps. I have 5 rounds of that. For my fancy auxiliary, 200 to, you get it, 200 flutter kicks. In the road, don't do it in the road. So again, you get the idea. 200 flutter kicks. I'm looking at a no trespassing sign. Whatever. That's your Wednesday's workout.